is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a different video. Now, a while back I asked you guys to send me some videos of your Avalanche, since this channel is a lot for Avalanches. I asked you guys to send me some videos, some pictures, whatever it is. I'll make a little montage. Only a couple people sent me and stuff, not everyone did. So instead of me making the montage, because I thought I would have had a lot of different vehicles so I can put it together in one video, I decided to break it down and call it Show Off Your Vehicle. So this vehicle is Raviel. His name is Raviel on YouTube, but his real name is Chris Feliciano. I hope I said your last name correct, but Chris. And this is his truck. Let's get to it. 2003 Chevy Avalanche 1500 Z71 5.3 liter. Its nickname is the Dark Knight. He has halo front lights, LEDs all around except running lights, Mbrp exhaust system, Blistien front shocks, motiv rims, and AT tires. 1,000 miles on them. That's what he says. For those of you who don't know what AT is all-terrain, but it took me a little while to register that right now. I don't know why I say AT, automatic transmission tires, but all-terrain. There you go. Aftermarket taillights, cold air intake, LED taillight strips, brand new fuel sending unit, brand new rotors and brakes all around, less than a month ago, all new brake lines, new master cylinder, Alpine ILX650 Android Auto with backup camera, and 152,000 miles on the clock. What is up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of Raviel's truck. Raviel, thank you so much for showing me this truck and showing it off to the rest of YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this quick little clip I made for you. And I don't know if you like it if I call you Raviel or Chris. I'd rather call you Raviel for some reason, but Chris is cool too. So Chris, aka Raviel, thank you so much for showing me this truck and showing it off to everyone else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit a like in the video, and also make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below letting us know how you feel about Chris's truck. Anyway, guys, with that being said, make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment or two, as well as go to my email, sukaryan@gmail.com, and send over a video and pictures of your truck so I can do another video just like this one. I'll see y'all later. Peace.